Hello guys, I am Dr. Cool. In today's very video edition here, I'm going to be reviewing a product that was sent to me by MadisonPark, so stay tuned. But before we go into this very video here, who is MadisonPark? MadisonPark. Wait. You remember that guy in Wolf of Wall Street? Steve Madison. I think he made a mistake. It was actually MadisonPark he was trying to call. So let's get to unpack this thing here. And like I said, this MadisonPark is that guy that wants to fine-tune your home to becoming an epicenter of attraction. When we talk about attraction, when we talk about beautiful aesthetics, that is what MadisonPark stands for. Now, a lot of you are gonna say, "Oh, it's gonna be expensive." Well, it's not actually expensive. So, wow, you can see that. This is lovely. So I gotta keep this one here. Seriously gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. Okay, let's take this out, shall we? Okay, here is the reality. MadisonPark is not just the guy that is a brand that actually crafted very powerful artwork like you can see here. They are into turning your home into an epicenter of mind-boggling, what do you call it again? Amazing, awe, into the stand of awe, kind of like living room. So if you want that touch when you finish having a home where you want to have that slicky look to it, classy, depends on whatever you want. They have different varieties of products. Before I forgot, in the summer they also got you know, what's that very first thing that literally everyone's gonna do when it's summer? It's turn on the AC full blast. However, that comes with a lot of energy bills that piles up by the end of the month, so you don't want to do that. If I were you, I go into www.madisonpark2010.com. When you visit his website, there are a lot of varieties to choose from, and most of his beddings will make you sleep cooler and better in the night. How about that? And like I said, it's at a fraction of cost. So you can compare that with that energy guzzling monster AC stuff. So we have a lot of unique crafted material from organic, you know, that really makes it environmental friendly. And that's the kind of technology we're looking for, something that is eco-friendly, that is not polluting the environment. So it's not a plastic, no. So you're going to be finding a lot of amazing product from MadisonPark. So this is just one of it. And to be honest with you guys are going to be seeing this right here on this my little center table here every single time I am to make a very critical discussion or a topic or discuss anything with you guys. I'm going to be having it right here because why? This looks incredible. No. I know a lot of you guys are thinking faster than I'm thinking and say, if it fell off your hand, then it's boom. It's like Samsung falling off your hand and you're going back to the market to get another one. What I'm looking at here is not just a tricky illusion, the kind of ones that the smartphone industry makes that as soon as it drops from your hand, even before it drops, the value drops before the phone drops. This looks like aluminum, not ceramic. And so with this shiny chrome, keep it at your home, and let me add some little touch to it. Oh, sorry, we didn't have any flower around here. It's quite unfortunate. So MadisonPark. What's going on? That wasn't what I was actually intending to tell you. You can insert MadisonPark. What's going on now? I mean, you can insert it. MadisonPark. What is going on? Come on. You can insert a flat MadisonPark. Come on. I'm trying to control it. I'm trying hard so much. You can insert a flower MadisonPark. It's just so gorgeous. It's just so beautiful. So you can, there are some little things you can add to this, some little flowers, you know, that makes the whole thing looks more fanciful. But even at that, as it is right now, it is very, very beautiful. And even without adding any some other things to it, this very unique, perfectly crafted masterpiece of art. I still love it the way it looks. So thank you, MadisonPark, for sending me this to review before my audience. And so for you guys who want to order this, you can use Dr. Cool as your coupon code to get a reasonable discount when you're about to purchase this from MadisonPark, www.MadisonPark2010.com. I'm going to be leaving the link below this very video description here, so you can go ahead and purchase it. Like I said, it doesn't always have to cost a kidney or arms and legs for your home to look sleepy and beautiful, right? After all, what are we doing all this hustling? What all this work we're doing? What are we making all this money for? It's just to have a decent lifestyle, some kind of, a good, reasonable home that's gonna make you sleep better. So when you're thinking about sleeping better after hustling for the day, you don't want to sleep in anyhow kind of a bedding that's gonna be making you have a lot of heat. You need something that's gonna cool all that down and make you sleep better. And that is where MadisonPark comes in. This is not, I'm not making anything up. Check it out for yourself. Research about it. Research about this very brand. So guys, tell me what you think. If you have used your product before, because they have varieties of products, limestone, you name it, just go to www.MadisonPark2010.com and check their MadisonPark signatures. If you are not so okay with it, you can check the essential. But I bet you, or even the basics, I bet you're gonna be blown away. It's quite rare these days where a lot of things are going off the roof. A lot of people to actually take time to craft out incredible product that is actually going to serve humanity, not enslave it. And that is what I'm about. I am the defiance guy. I'm the rebellion guy. Yes. So if I see something that is really good, I can jeopardize my channel because I want to what? No. So like I said, I got to cover. This is not much plastic. This is not a MadisonPark. Who's doing? Maybe the battery is low. Network is bad. So if you drop it from your hand, it's not going to break. Should we drop it? How many of you want to see me drop this in the next? If you want to see me drop one of these in the next video, and let's see how it acts when it drops, because those are the kind of actually things I'm supposed to do. Comment in the comment section. So if I get up to 2K comments requesting I should drop this in the next video, I'm going to drop one of these, and let's see how it handles. How it falls from this very height here that is just about 1.5 feet, because that is literally what is going to happen when you are having this very product at your home. You can be seeing children running around and boom, you wouldn't even know when you're very busy trying to do something and boom, one of them fall. So how will it act? Will it shatter? That is something which I'm going to be talking about in the next video. So for most of you who want me to drop it, to do the drop test, 2K comments on the drop test. So get your friends to comment, do the drop test, and I'm gonna be doing it in the next video episode. This is where reality meets slick aesthetics. But I'm certain that MadisonPark is not gonna fail. So guys, MadisonPark. Okay, I'm never gonna say anything again. So don't say MadisonPark. I'm just trying to tell you guys, don't say MadisonPark. So you already heard what I told you guys. Johnny. Okay guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for the wonderful love. Thank you, MadisonPark. Thank you everyone. And this is gonna be the